Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning unit 3. It's a beautiful poem with title It's Sports Day, page number 20 of your book. Today is lecture 2. Under the title of grammar, we will learn about classification of naming words, page number 24 of your book. Before this, in your previous class, English for grade 1, I have taught you about vegetables and fruits. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. So today we'll learn further and we'll cover the SLO to recognize and classify naming words, fruits and vegetables. And we'll also learn to list items of similar categories from a given text. These are today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah says in Quran, Surah 55 verse 68, "Therein will be fruits and dates and pomegranates." Yes, my dear children, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning therein. What does therein mean? Where? In Jannah. In Jannah, we'll eat fruits. So fruits are such important. Allah has mentioned fruits in Quran, and Allah has especially mentioned dates, pomegranates. So these are healthy. All the fruits are healthy. That's why I want to ask you, do you eat fruits and vegetables? Say yes. Raise your hand. Good job. Better fruits and vegetables are very good for our health. They are healthy. That's why eat. And there is a very famous saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. That's why keep eating fruits daily. All right. And here I want to make a request to parents as well. Kindly make a habit of your children eating fruits. It gives different type of vitamins which are very important for children. All right. So I hope, my dear students, you remember I have taught you everything around us has a name. Do you remember? Everything around us has a name, and that is called a naming word or a noun, and this naming word may refer to a person, a place or a thing. Do you remember this? That's very good. Now you tell me, fruits and vegetable belongs to which category of naming words? Now we have categorized naming words, person, place and thing, and I hope you remember we have learned it thoroughly with different examples. Now you tell me, when we talk about fruits and vegetables, which category they belong to. Now pause the video and tell the answer to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, I hope you have answered correctly. And what is that? Fruits and vegetable belongs to thing category of naming word. So when we talk about fruits and vegetables, their names, their naming words belong to thing category, because neither fruits are person nor they are place. That's why they are thing. Here I want to make a note for my dear fellow teachers. Whenever there is a vertical linkage or there is a link of lesson which we have taught before, you must make the children to recall that, because naming word is such a basic concept of grammar. Whenever we talk about it, make the children to recall the lesson which they have thoroughly understood previously. And along with this video lecture, in description box, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my children, now let's practice it. We understand about naming words. We understand about the fruits and vegetables. So open your book on page number 24. We are going to practice this concept. Yes, what this page is demanding from you? Recognize and write these naming words in its relevant category. So here 4 categories naming words are given, and which 4 categories those are? Countries, fruits, vegetables and vehicles. Vehicles, you know, the transportation mode. For example, it may be a train, a bus, a car, motorcycle, many. So the mode of transportation which we use is called vehicle. You will read the name. You will find out which category this name belongs to, and you will write the name in the relevant column. You got the concept? Okay, now pause the video, read all the names carefully and write it in the relevant column. If you find it little you are unable to guess it, then raise a hand, discuss with your teacher, ask from the teacher. All right, so pause the video and enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay, I'm going to check. Tally it with me. So the first naming word was car. Which category car belongs to? It's a vehicle. The second is guava. Guava. So what it is? It's a fruit. Third naming word is Pakistan, our beloved country. So this name belongs to countries category. And fourth one is zucchini. Zucchini is a type of vegetable. It belongs to squash family. I hope you know it. If not, again I tell you, better learning is not within the class only. Everywhere you can learn. So with your father, go to a vegetable and fruit shop and try to find out all the names of vegetables and fruit. This is how we learn further. So definitely, if you have seen and you can recall zucchini, that's good. Otherwise, today you will go to vegetable shop and you will ask to the shopkeeper, give me zucchini, I want to see how does it look. All right. Okay, so I hope you did this activity in the same manner. Now next is the time for your homework. What we are supposed to do, you will make fruits and vegetables chart. You will make the pictures, you will color it, you will write their name and then display it in your room or in your classroom. Show your chart to your teacher, get it signed, and you may display it in your room so that you can, by looking at the chart, you will remind yourself, I have to eat vegetables and fruits, right? Next, I am giving you a very interesting worksheet, what you are supposed to do. Again, teachers, along with this video lecture, in description box, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and this worksheet link is given. You may click it, download it, print it, and give a printed worksheet to my children for practice. And my dear students, what you will do, it's a crossword for fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are there, numbers are there, clues have been given. So you have to write their names according to the clues. I hope you will enjoy. You also write what is your favorite fruit and what is your favorite vegetable. That's it for today. What we have learned, we recalled that naming words have categories. And we learned that fruits and vegetables belong to think category of naming words. We listed items of same category from text and we achieved our today's SLO, that is to recognize and classify naming words for fruits and vegetables, and parallel to that we list items of similar category from a given text. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.